Tariq loved a joke, light up the room with laughs and giggles. He chased away gloom. Class clown crown, he wore it with pride. He cracked jokes without breaking stride. But one day, when Jonah rose to read, he stumbled a bit, going at a slow speed. Is this a story? He tried to say. Some kids giggled and looked away. Tariq leaned in with a grin so wide. Is it a sad day? He said on the side. Laughter burst like a pop balloon, but Jonah's face turned red real soon. He sat back down, quiet and low, and that moment, tears start to flow. Tariq felt cool, but didn't yet see that the joke had a cost, it wasn't free. Words can hurt or words can heal. Think before you say what you feel. Laughing when someone's feeling low is not the way real courage shows. Brave is kind and kind is strong. Stand up tall when something's wrong. The next day came and Jonah was gone. His desk sat empty all day long. Then another day and still no sign. Tariq just sat, concerned in his mind. At lunch he heard two teachers speak. I think he's staying home this week. The teasings hit him deep, one said. Tariq's little heart filled with dread. He didn't mean to cause such pain, but now the joke felt like a chain. That afternoon he took a long walk through the park with regret in thoughts. Among the trees by the Everglade breeze, he heard a rhyme float through the leaves. When your words turn sharp and sting like rain, you've gotta face the echo and end the pain. Words can hurt or words can heal. Think before you say what you feel. Laughing when someone's feeling low is not the way real courage shows. Brave is kind and kind is strong. Stand up tall when something's wrong. Ooh, 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 ooh. There stood MC Sparrow, flying cool. Sneakers fresh, eyes bright like jewels. Tariq sat down, eyes big, heart sore. I heard someone a sin I can't ignore. MC Sparrow nodded and dropped his verse. Laughter's a gift, but not when it hurts. When it cuts someone down, it leaves a scar, dimming the light of love like a fading star. It's easy to tease when others do, but heroes rise and speak what's true. I didn't mean it, Tariq said with a deep sigh. I just wanted to make the laughter fly. Sparrow spun once, tapped his chest, but did your humor spread joy to the rest? The mic is yours, your voice is strong. What message will you pass along? Cruel jokes can break the strongest heart, even if you don't mean to at the start. Words can heal or words can sting, so think before you let them ring. If someone struggles, lift them high. Don't just stand there or pass them by. Be the friend who shows you care. Kindness grows when hearts are fair. In, but Jonah still missed. So Tariq asked the teacher this: can I write a letter? I want to say what I did was wrong that day. He wrote it out, sincere and true. Hey Jonah, I wanna say sorry to you. You didn't deserve my joke at all. If you come back, let's talk in the hall. A few days later, Jonah returned, eyes down low, feeling concerned. Tariq stood up and walked his way. Please forgive my cruel words and play. I wrote a letter, did you get it in the mail? Jonah nodded yeah with a deep exhale. Later on, when someone teased again, Tariq thought a sparrow and broke the trend. Words can hurt or words can heal.